Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. Today you will see in this videos modern girls nail art ideas. Today you will see in this videos plain and printed nail art, negative nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art. So lovely viewer, you will see in this videos neo modern girls nail art, nail cutting and modern nail polish designs. So dear viewer, dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Today you will see in this videos neo modern particular stylish girls nail cutting designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in this video, so this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Modern and stylish, you will see very outstanding and stylish unique nail cutting with finger ring designs. Very outstanding and very stylish modern nail cutting designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos, and you like this one stylish nail art ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. Marvelous and stylish. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring your modern girls nail art ideas. I always try to bring particular stylish modern girls nail cutting designs. So guys, I would suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. So dear viewers, today you will see in this videos neo modern and stylish plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art.